I don't know about you folks, but it looks like these Holley boys got themselves in a pickle.
So there's trouble in paradise. Jeremy's Cuda seems to have sprung a leak on a head gasket, and we're in the middle of the woods at a hotel, and we are trying to unload the trailer and reload it with enough extra room that a whole car will fit on there. The Tetris intensifies. We got carts up on the end. We're getting real creative loading all these parts. It's looking like half of it is going to be sticking above the roof of the truck. The truck's hooked up to the trailer. More stuff is stuffed in the trailer. More stuff stuffed in the truck. Jeremy's unsure about his decisions. What did he come in? Car's loaded. We call you Billy Contorto. Too tight.
How does a human being fit through that in this space?
Car's in, strapping it down, and figuring out where to put the rest of this stuff. Car's in the trailer, truck's loaded up. We found a place for everything. We will see you in Indiana. We managed to get the Cuda on the trailer along with all of the display stuff. Unloaded it this morning, and the guys are working on pulling the heads off so they can replace the head gaskets. Unfortunately, that means intake has to come off, headers have to come loose, distributor has to come out, a whole bunch of other stuff just to replace a couple stupid gaskets. Got Colin down here using his spider hands. Matt's using his man-baby toddler strength.
Yeah, buddy.
Smile, Matt.
Lucky to the rescue.
Alright, so these guys have been jamming on this thing. One cylinder head is already off, along with 3 carburetors.
You got a gasket on right here.
How's it look?
Well, you can't really see it probably, but there's buildup in between here. I don't know where the head gasket went. Oh, the head gasket's right there.
Oh, alright. Yeah, so that's a problem. See how this isn't that way? That's the way this should be. So both heads are off. Now they're just cleaning them up, getting the new gaskets ready.
Check this out, free oil. Well, long story short, I managed to get the Cuda back up and running with some help from my co-workers and a little help from O'Reilly Auto Parts and Redline Oil. Later today, we'll be back on the road and headed to Fort Wayne, Indiana. Well, it turned out to be a happy ending for the Cuda and the Holley boys. We got it all put back together in Indy, drove it to Fort Wayne, Indiana, and here we are in beautiful Norwalk, Ohio. This is the last day, day 7 of the 25th anniversary of the Hot Rod Power Tour, and I'm glad we could finish it off. A little over 1,600 miles, I guess. I only missed about 100 miles of it. All of us here at Holley Performance want to thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next year.